just got a haircut today, so all we can figure is that she likes the sensation of his crew cut.
Yeah, I know I shampooed, alright? So it's not like...
Hey, Ella, did Papa taste good?
Oh, yeah, you know, look at me to see to give me tonight, huh? Yeah, I know. Oh, now you bite my ear. Wait, you think I taste good? Well, I got news for you, kitty.
Oh. Just licking her lips. Oh. You know what they say about Siamese kitties? It's kind of crazy.
This human tastes really good. Just wait till you go to sleep. I'm going to sandpaper your test. Wow, cat, that tongue is... Wow.
Getting a bath. You know, dogs, like people. Maybe just part dog.
Doubt it.
Ella. You blow on that ear. Yeah.
Yes, I do wash behind my ears. Thank you very much. Hey, Cinders, you want to get the other side?
Where'd she go? Oh, hello, honey. Cinders? Ella. Cinders? Ella.
Hey,
Cinders? Ella.
Cinders, take a look at this. You're bad, for example, for this poor little cat. I mean, seriously, what are you doing for the rising generation?
What's next?
Do you even care?
She's like, no, not really. Oh,
hey, kitty cat.
Yummy, Papa. Now she's licking herself.
It's like, now that I got the worst of the dirtiness done.